Guys, I got another review, and today I'm actually doing a review on a half wig. Here she is. I already took her out the packaging. And here's the stock card. She is Alpha Woman by Sensational, Kinks and Curls. That's just the stock card as you open it, and here's the card on the back with the care instructions, and then it also has like a color palette. It's got some beautiful colors. I have the Flamboyage Mocha, and it's, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Real. It's got like peekaboo highlights on both sides, and that's, I mean, it's kind of spread it throughout too with the blonde, but not really. So let's see. I'm gonna put this on. You can pick these up anywhere. I don't know if they sell them there store, but they do got them on wig sites and on Amazon. I purchased mine off Amazon. So let me see. I gotta cut this off. Let me get that off, and I'll show you the inside construction of this. So you got a comb that goes, there's no lace, as you can see, and you got a comb going all the way across, and you got a comb in the back, and you do have adjustable straps, which is cool. And this is the way I'm about to do this today, because I'm got somewhere to be. Let's see. Trying to see if I have my brush up there and I forgot it, so ooh, I love this. What I'm gonna say about this, I do love these peekaboo highlights because you can just bring them out on the sides mixed with that beautiful chocolate color. Somewhere. I'm sitting on it. So this is how you can kind of like camouflage it. You got like any kind of hairband. You like me, you really don't have, like, I didn't leave any of my hair out, so there you go. That's all you gotta do. I could find my black one like this. Definitely found a brown one today, but it's good. Yep. I'll get it in a minute. Just grab my edge control. Edge brush. Now I got mad. What here? It is what it is. And that ain't even take me 10 minutes, so you see how easy it is. And I got my hair braided back in cornrows because, of course, my hair is so thick, and I'm just like, oh, for reference, I use this. I just found this on eBay, and I'm telling you, it is the truth. It's a little steep with the price, but I think it's worth it. And it's a pomade. Pomade, am I pronouncing that correctly? So yeah, you know, it definitely holds your edges real, and this is all I really do. I'm not doing none of here. You know, it's just my edges right here. I guess I could slide this back a little bit. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, I got my hair braided back and forth on rolls, so you can't even tell though. That's how good you can like camouflage, especially when you got like some kind of headband or something. You know, it's really easy and simple. So there you have it, and it's nice and cool. My hair is out of my face. That's what I love about half wigs. Like, I started wearing my half wigs actually before I even started rocking with wigs, you know, real heavy. So I always let me a good, you know, half wig, sash, ponytail, because you can definitely do a ponytail look with these. So I might try that later in the future, maybe on like an update video. So, you know, there you have it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I can grow, you know. And, you know, I purchased these hair pieces myself. I don't have a sponsorship, so I'm giving you the real. And this is like real bomb. It's really close to like, let's see if this is relaxed worthy. I would say it definitely, I would say like relaxed, blown out maybe, or if you can, you know, get your hair this straight when you blow it out with the blow dryer. So yeah, that's what kind of, look at my cat, on that thing, just flipping back. Come on now, I don't need all that going on. I wish I had my black one. I can't find it nowhere, but yeah, but there you have it. So it's definitely a yucky texture, you know, blowout type slash relaxer type texture. If that's what you want to know. There's no shine to it really, so you don't have to worry about adding dry shampoo. I would say it's perfectly fine with the shine. So yeah, there you have it. So thanks for, you know, watching my video. If you're here to the end, thank you. Have a great day and stay safe out there. Toodles.